minutes, 40 minutes, an hour, 2 hours, get something done. What's going on YouTube? Today's video, we got a full day video right now for y'all. So I'm about to run y'all through what I'm gonna eat for breakfast, lunch, dinner, etc., etc. I might record the gym session. I'm only doing 3 exercises, just deadlift, squat, bench, so it's nothing too crazy. Sunday, not really trying to do too much, but still trying to get ready for that week, get ready for that mentality. So definitely stay tuned. So for today's breakfast, we got egg white, some turkey bacon, and I got a sweet potato something right here. So that's really what I'm gonna do for breakfast. Nothing too crazy before the gym. And then when I come back, I'll figure out what I'm gonna make. Usually some type of fried rice. I'm usually either making fried rice, potatoes, or it'll just be my choice of protein, a lot of veggies. My choice of protein, a lot of veggies. Don't skip on your veggies, man. Very, 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 very important. So waiting for my pan to heat up. Let me get my essentials for my egg whites. Got to measure that out. And y'all got to forgive me, man. I don't know. Like, my energy is not super duper through the roof. Some people, their energy is just sky high when they come on a YouTube video or something like that. But not really with me. Just keep it as raw as possible. So we got egg whites. I'm going to do like 8 ounces. Nothing too crazy. Shout out to Memons Mark, man. I just get a cart of these every time. And that's the job. So we got the egg whites, 8.2. And then we just throw it on the pan. Let that get hot. Pan's nice and hot. Just like that. Season of choice, some adobo. A little bit of that. Throw some black pepper. And then add some parsley. It's about three ounces, 3.1. That's not too bad. I can do with that. pop it in the microwave real quick. Eggs already done. Turkey bacon's about to be done. Sweet potato in there. It all takes about maybe 10 minutes, not even. So got my sweet potato. Let me just rip the skin off of it. Damn, this shit's hot. Yep. Peel its top back real quick. And the reason why I went with sweet potato instead of like maybe something else, just because it fills me up a lot and I get a really nice pump when I have a sweet potato before a workout. So usually that'll be more lunch, but I like a little sweet potato. And let that bacon cook up a little bit. But yeah, right now we just getting that state of mind, getting ready for that show, man. I've been tired, but the days I do have energy, I just say, hey, gotta go get it. I mean, it's really that simple. I don't know. I don't really know what to say with the camera in front of me and shit. But it's like some days, I don't know if you guys experience this, some days I'll have like 8-9 hours of sleep, but I'll feel a lot more tired than some days where I'll have maybe 6 hours. I'll go to sleep later than usual, and I'll just have a lot of energy. So I just take things day by day. I'm like, hey, God gave me more energy today to get shit done. I'm not going to use that energy to sit on my ass and not do nothing. So, and even days where I don't feel as energized, I still do my best to just use whatever energy I have to just get something little done. So the little things add up and add up over time, blah, 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 you know. But as cliche as that sound, it's really true. Turkey bacon done. That's it. And we got the final product right here. This is it. So, catch you guys in the gym soon. I gotta mix my pre-workout and stuff like that though, but I'm gonna catch y'all in the gym. When we get there, we gonna work, we gonna go hard, we gonna push it to the max. So make sure you have a blessed day, blessed week, blessed month. If y'all watching this, y'all probably gonna be sitting down, but put that work in today. Whatever day I drop this video, put that work in today. 20 minutes, 30 minutes, 40 minutes, an hour, 2 hours. Get something done. Testing, testing, testing. So now we're in the gym, finished our warm up. We got our first working set. Usually I go for about 12 to 20. Nice and easy one. Lost count. Oh, that's good. Ooh, it's gonna be a good day. I can feel it. I could already feel it. Oh yeah, it's gonna be one of those days. We got deadlifts first, because that takes the most energy out of me. Then I'm gonna do squats, and then we're gonna bench and do 20 minutes of cardio, and that's it. We got the warm up into the working set. Even though it's still a working set, this counts as realistically my first actual set, if that makes sense. So this, we're gonna go 6 to 10, 8 to 10. Hey, that felt pretty good. Oh, damn. We'll probably count that as the first actual set. Well, second set. Plus the 225, so. This is what we're having. And this is where we start watching our breaks, so. I try to take like 30 seconds to a minute break in between, to be honest. But I'm just trying to move this weight fast as possible. And then maybe the last rep, that's why I get that little squeeze. But you know you're about to start your working sets. Your really, really heavy working sets once you start tying your shoes. So we're gonna go 315 one more time. Try to get more than 5 reps in. And then we're gonna go up from there, so. Ain't nobody here to push you. You gotta push yourself. And you're locked in on a different dimension. You're in a different world right now. You don't give a fuck about anybody else or nothing. Like, this gym is full of people and I feel like I'm by myself. That's how you know I don't care right now. Rest in peace, DMX. That's nice. I like that one. Time to strap up. We got 365. We'll probably go for, not probably, we're gonna go for 5 reps. Nice and easy. This is a scary jump right here. We'll go 85 and then I'll do 4 or 5. We got second to last set. We got, this is 385. We're gonna try to hit 5 again. 3 to 5 reps, but we wanna go for 5. And then last set we'll go 4 or 5, and then we're gonna move on to some squats. But I'm not trying to leave nothing in the gym today. I'm trying to make sure by the time I get home, I'm pretty much depleted, I'm pretty much done. So. There we go. Oh. Yeah, that was heavy. God damn. Fucking A, bro. Felt that one. If we fail, we fail. But we gotta do. Let's get this shit over with. Come on. Oh. Ooh. Oh yeah. We're done with those beautiful deadlifts. Now we move on to the Smith machine squat, man. Back squats. I don't need to warm up, so first set we got 135. Simple, easy. 12 to 20 reps, and then we try to get a little heavier as we go. Yep. Oh yeah. This feels a lot better. I lost that mind muscle connection. That was my fault. That was probably 14, 15, but we're gonna have to come back and get it again. Fuck. God damn. Can't lose focus in this gym, man. You can't lose focus, especially when you count those reps. That's where it counts the most. So, fuck. Second set we got right here, man. Similar rep ranges. Now we're working in the 8 to 12 rep range. We just gotta keep it pushing. Like I said, it's a lot of people in here, man, but I don't see nobody. It's a different state of mind. Morning. You have the strength in the morning. God gave me the strength today to go after it. I can't waste it. I gotta put every ounce in it. Whatever I got. I might feel like shit tomorrow. I might feel like my legs won't move. But at least I know the strength God gave me for today, I didn't waste it. So I gotta get everything out this fucking workout. I mean everything. I'm bringing out all the armor. Got the knee sleeves, got the weight belt, everything. Bring out everything today. fuck home. It's that simple. That fucking simple. Oh yeah. Gotta fix the flow. Okay. There we go. Oh yeah. Ha ha ha. That's nice. Yep. Come on. Motherfuckers. Fuck you talking about? Come on. Come on. Good shit. Got one more set. And then I'm gonna call it. Move on to the bench. Make sure you prioritize those breaks. Whether you gotta take a 1 minute break, 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Keep it in that range. Oh yeah. That's a good one. On a Sunday. Love it. Last motherfucker right here. Look at myself in the mirror. I know that's only me against me. Nobody gonna save me. Gotta save yourself. That's where the war starts right here. Once you re-rack this motherfucker, ain't no going back. Battle started. Either gonna win or lose, but we gonna win. We won today. We won today. All right. It's time for the big dog to go. It's time for the big dog to go. It's his weight right here. There we go. Come on. Come on. Lightweight. Easy. Easy. Come on. Easy. Come on. There we go. Easy. Easy work. Motherfuckers. That was a good one right there. That was a good one right there. Now what we got next? We gonna hit this bench. My bench is weak, man. Y'all better not make fun of me on this one. But we gonna hit bench. Try to get a nice pump. We're not really gonna worry about the weight too much. We're worried about the repetition with this one because we want to get as much blood flow in these cities as possible. And then we're gonna do 20 minutes of cardio. And that'll be it for me. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, man. This video is raw as fuck right now. And then when I get home, we're gonna finish the rest of the food they're eating and go from there. Time to hit it, the weakest part of my body right now. Go off my lifts, and that comes to the bench press. But we want blood flow today. We want to feel that pump. We want a repetition, so we're not worried about the weight today with the bench. Oh, it's been about shit. It's been about 2 months since I benched. 2 whole months. So we'll see how the weight moves today. And then do 20 minutes of cardio. By the time I get home, I want to run you guys through the rest of my food day of eating / fake SBD day, squat, bench, deadlift day. And then that'll be it for the video, so. It's gonna be a long day of editing, but I wanna get this out. First set, we got easy 10 to 12. Oh, that wasn't too bad. Days like this, man, that's the days I get out. That's the days that I get the most done. I don't know. It's like I feed off the energy of people where when they don't want to do nothing. I go in the opposite mind. So sounds crazy though. Sounds crazy. But that's what we're working on today. Oh man. All right, that's enough for a break. Get right back into it. Not too bad. We're gonna up that weight though. I had a 25. This bench is literally my kryptonite, man. But we'll work on it over time. I've tried. Ooh, just finished cardio. Time to go home. Did 20 minutes, did 40 minutes this morning, and that's the hour for the day. It was a great session. Time to go make some food, and then watch the Eagles game, and then you chilling. Easy work.